Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video we are going to prepare strawberry cake for the children at lockdown. Preparing this strawberry cake, these are the recipes that I'm going to use. Here I have 5 medium size of eggs, 1 cup of milk, then 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1.5 cup of sugar, then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then this is the vanilla strawberry flavor. Then I will use red color to enhance the color of the strawberry. Keep watching and see how I'm going to prepare it. I'm not going to use machine. I'm going to use hand to mix everything. So what I want to do now, starting with the egg, I break the egg into the round bowl. And after breaking the egg, I'll mix it very well, couple it very well. Yeah. Then I'll mix it very well. So I'll pour in the sugar and I'll continue to mix it until it is fluffy. When we say fluffy, it's until it turns white. Continue mixing it very well. I'll add the oil, 1 cup of oil that I'm using here. And I'll continue to couple it. Pour in my milk, 1 cup. And vanilla, strawberry 2 cups. Flour, bit by bit, and now couple it. Make sure you couple it and there is no lumps in it. Finish coupling it. No lumps, so it is ready to pour into the pan, as you can see. Perfect. So make sure I cream my pan very well with oil. Cream it very well. Cream it very well so that when you are bringing your cake out, it will not stick to the pan. That is why we cream the pan. So after creaming it with oil, I'll dust it with all-purpose flour. Then pour in the cream into it. Perfect. So I'll dust it with all-purpose flour now. Finish dusting it. So I'll now pour in my cream into it. Now put it into the pot that I'm using. I'm not using oven, so I've already preheat my pot. So I'll put it in like that. Then I'll cover it airtight. Cover it very well. Good. Let's check whether it is done. It's well baked now. Let's check. You take a clean spoon, put it inside, then remove it. It's clean. That shows that it is well baked. So we are going to remove it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, share with friends and families. See you in my next video.